Hi everybody, how are you? Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to speak to us. Tell me who you're with.
What I do right now is I'm in business for 13 years. Do cleaning and maintenance for home and offices like residential and commercial. What I do is help my customer to live in a new nice places, nice and clean, sparkles, everything, all kind of stuff.
That's amazing, and I know that you've had your cleaning service for quite some time, 13 years. You just mentioned that, so certainly you must have learned different tips and things that people might be interested if they're looking to sell their homes. What are the common tips that you'd like to give homeowners that are looking to sell their home with maintaining their houses clean?
Yes, of course. In the meantime, people when I like to buy the house or sell the house, thinking is the cleaning service or clean the house is more easy when it's empty houses. But the really point is so different. It's 100 times different than a clean a regular house. Why? Because you have to go step by step every single detail. And whatever is you open your drawer in the kitchen, you see all the forks, knife, and spoons. But it's empty, you see all the dirty stuff on it. The same on all the houses, on the windows. And when you go inside the house, when you want to try to sell it out, people when they came in to buy the house say, wow, it smells like bad, So the prices start to going down in couple things, like a cleaning, like a painting, like all kind of stuff.
So the potential price that a homeowner can get for their home is impacted by how dirty the home might be.
Yes.
Or not clean.
That not clean is most impacted. Even in the town you sell the house, doesn't matter. You have a rush price for sell the house.
That's great.
Whatever you are in the town, even your house inside, how looks like your house. Just for exterior and interior or whatever you have to do it. That's why most of the people now going to flip houses. What it means is have to change the walls, change a part of the kitchen and everything. If you can handle just for the cleaning, that's good. You're saving a lot of money.
Oftentimes cleaning can actually help people not have to do construction, which might be more costly.
Right.
Okay, that's great. So what's one of those things that as a owner of a cleaning company, when you walk into a home, what's the first thing that you look at to see whether or not the house is clean?
How smell?
How it smells. So smell plays a big part in that.
Yes.
Well, that's great, guys. So as you can see, some key things that we can take away from this is how the house smells. I heard you also mention the cleanliness of the windowsills, and how that comes out to somebody that's potentially buying. So those are all some very key important things. Let me ask you a question. What made you get into cleaning? Like what drove that?
Okay, the first part on my business is I like to make business interactive with other people. I'm a study business administration, but in the meantime, I don't know how to clean because people like 25, 30 years ago, clean my house. But I'm particularly a picky guy.
Okay.
And discover a couple things. So what I love my industry is not what I'm doing, if for what I do.
Okay.
What happened is I don't know how to clean it at the time, but I know how to make a business. But if you like one or other, you have to be compare both on the same time. So have to learn it, clean, have to learn it, sell, and it's all together.
So if I understand correctly, then it was your love for business and just connecting people together, and then putting what maybe was an opportunity, learning how to clean in business sense. That's fantastic. What sets you apart from your competitors?
The difference is where people trust in me.
People trust in you?
Yes. Most the thing is when you do the first step, how you explain to to the guy what you like to do the work, and also when looking at your reference is a too much. Even you are networkings, even your past customers, but it's not what you do in the past. It's what you do it right now.
That's fantastic.
And when people trust in you right now.
So there you go, folks. If you want to be able to, get the most value for your home, able to clean your home and get you ready to get the most for your home. I hope this has helped. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak to us. I appreciate it. Hopefully this helped. Thank you so much. God bless.